Hello, good morning, good afternoon, whatever the time which you will hear this uh, a short introduction with the Rizal course. I know our subject is an elective subject which is very mandatory to all the colleges, universities to take Rizal course. Okay, so part of the Rizal course is the study of the law, yung batas tungkol sa pag-aaral ng Rizal course, which is what we call the Republic Act number 1425. So that will be our main focus for now, no? I will read the law. So as you see there in the screen, I have the law coming from Chan Robles. Okay, Republic Act number 1425 yan. Okay, so regarding the law, this is an act to include in the curricula of all public and private schools, colleges, universities, courses on the life works and writings of Dr. Jose Rizal, particularly his novels Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, authorizing the printing, distribution thereon, and for other purposes. So yun yung first part na i-discuss natin yung law. The second part will be for the prelims, no? The second part will be the 19th century Philippines. Okay? So ano ba ang Pilipinas no ika-19 na siglo, 19th century. Then the third one is the short biography of Rizal, his birth, yung his studies, no? Yung studies niya from tutorial at home. Then we have formal schooling in Ateneo and University of Santo Tomas. Okay? So yun yung mga magiging part ng prelim examinations natin. Pero dito tayo focus ngayon sa RA 1425, no? So let us read. Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the Philippine Congress assembled. This law, I think, was established, that was 1956. So medyo matagal-tagal ng batas ito. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, the president during those times was Carlos P. Garcia. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, because of the Garcia's policy about Filipino First policy. So ipinasok niya itong Rizal because sabi nga nila, ang Amerikano ang pumili kay Rizal bilang isang national hero natin. Hindi pinili ng mga Amerikano ang revolutionary hero tulad nila Andres Bonifacio, kasi nakikita nila na baka ma-inspire mga Pilipinos at mag-clash ulit, magkaroon ulit ng revolution. So they chose Rizal over Andres Bonifacio. Okay, so ito yung nilalaman ng batas ng RA 1420.